The steps I recommend to start working or to start coding would be first to choose an editor. It could be one of the ones I showed on the previous screen, or it could also be some other one. It could also be one of the next steps could be to set up the environment. In my case, I'm using Google Collaboratory, so I don't do much. And I personally recommend it because it's easy to use no matter what your programming knowledge level is. And the next step would be, or could be, to install the libraries you'll need, like for plotting or for calculations and things like that. And also, I made a note about list one, a note about dictionaries. Regarding transformers, well, transformers are an architecture. It's known as the transformer architecture, and it was introduced in a paper published by Google in 2017. Called Attention is All You Need, and that's how it can translate. It's very useful. Or they're mainly well known because nowadays they're the foundation of many models like ChatGPT, or for example Gemini, or any other large language model, since this type of architecture is generally used. And you can do a lot of things with it. With this specific model, or this specific type of models, the most interesting thing maybe is that you can access these kinds of architectures for free by using Hugging Face, which is a platform for natural language processing. I'm going to show how you can import a pipeline and